Welcome to wikidata.com. So today's topic which is going to see about CGI. So what is CGI and full form of CGI and everything about CGI. If you want to read about CGI, just navigate to this URL over here. Just open your browser and go to this URL which is going to be the wikidata.com slash full form slash CGI full form. So you'll probably have this web page over here so that we can able to read a lot about the CGI. So what does the CGI stands for? It stands for the computer generated imaginary. So it is an application of special effect imagining software which is used to make the realistic looking three-dimensional images still and animated like visual content, automatic modeling, architectural design, computer game art, computer graphics in movies and electronic media and so on. In short, it allows you to create a character and motion that looks real and which cannot be created using other methods. So these are the pretty good informations about this computer generated imaginary. You can able to read it from our site. So we'll be having a lot of informations about it, like we'll be having like how CGI works in the sense before that and after. So this is how they can able to create the CGI, the computer graphic imaginary. So this is a before image and after CGI is converted into this kind of image. So this is how the CGI the CGI imaginary works. And the first artist created a computer graphics and then you have to make a graphic look to the real texture and lighting to the color adjusted stuff and everything over here. So a few years before, it was used in the movies like Star Wars and Jurassic Park, and later on we'll be having the good CGI movies like Avatar, The Lord of Rings, The Inception, The Matrix, and Finding Nemo, and etc. So these are the pretty good informations about the CGI, which is computer graphic imaginary. And then we'll be having another CGI full form, which is like a common gate interface. A common gate interface is nothing but it's a technology that permits an internet browser to submit a form and connect to the program over the internet server. It is a common gateway interface between the client and server which travels through the internet. So these are the pretty good information. You can able to see it here. There's a lot of information is given here. You can able to read a lot of information down here. And how the CGI works in a sense. First we'll be having this web browser so that we are the clients so that we will be connecting to the server using this web browser. And the HTTP request goes to the web server. From it, it goes to the CGI program which is going to be traveled to the disk file and document and files and database and everything over here. So this is how it will work, like the browser sends a URL that causes the LOL server to cause a CGI to run a program. This is how the program runs on a CGI. You'll be having a lot of information about it. You can able to read it from our site. And the characteristics of common gateway interface since will be having a well described and supported one. It enables the HTML to the interface and it usually described in C and Perl or maybe more simple shell codes. And CGI is the best way to create an counter because it's presently and it's so fast than compared to one another interfaces. So what are the benefits and the limitations of CGI is given here. You can able to read it from our site. Just navigate to our URL. So probably have this web page so that you can able to read a lot of information about the CGI, which is a computer generated imaginary and the common gateway interface. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.